Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment.
Hello friends, in the current week we have seen that the broader indices has closed at a level of 15,683 with a weekly loss of 117 points, or in terms of percentage it was a negative movement of 0.74%. Now here are the few observations regarding the entire weekly trading of Nifty. We have seen that the broader indices has created a fresh new all-time high at a mark of 15,901, but at the same time it has breached the previous week low, and on candlestick pattern it has formed a doji type of pattern which suggests some kind of slowdown in the uptrend as well as indecisiveness specifically at the higher level in the markets. On the daily chart, the Nifty has formed a lower top lower bottom formation, but it was able to sustain above its 20-day simple moving average at the end of the week, which indicates that the bulls somehow maintained their grip over the market. The daily momentum indicator is moving downward, but still it has sustained above the 60 mark, which shows presence of bullish momentum in the market. Talking about the support and resistance level from technical perspective, key support level for Nifty is placed at 15,431, which is the previous swing low, and below that at 15,145, which has a multiple touch point level. On the higher side, major supply is placed at 15,986 and above that at 16,687. Now what could be the possible strategy for the next week, or how to trade the market? Since the larger degree trend is on the upward side, trader can go along with a strict stop loss of 15,431 for all their existing long position as well as new long position created in the next week. Now talking about Bank Nifty, here are the few observations regarding Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is continuing with its underperformance with Nifty in this week also. On the weekly charts, Bank Nifty has formed a lower top lower bottom formation and closed near its 3-week low, and also has formed a doji candle pattern which indicates some kind of indecisiveness in Bank Nifty. On daily charts, Bank Nifty has moved below 20 days simple moving average, but was able to take support as 100 days simple moving average, which shows that some kind of consolidation is going into Bank Nifty. Talking about immediate support and resistance level for Bank Nifty, major support is placed at 33,908, which is a weekly low, followed by 33,273, while on the higher side major supply is placed at 35,380 and above that at 35,810. Now for the next week we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. First one is HDFC Life Limited, which can be bought at 705 with a stop loss placing at 674 for an upside potential of 750. Another counter which seems to be interesting is also from the HDFC group itself. It is HDFC Bank Limited. One can buy around 1475, that is 1475, with a stop loss placing at 1445 for an upside potential of 1590. So that's it, friend, for the current week. See you on next Friday. Till then, if you like our views, request you to kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram as well as on Twitter. Thank you very much.